Mas-save natin. Okay, let's go back. So again, thank you, Misty, that you're here. Kanina nagka-problema tayo, pero hindi na lang na tayo mag-live. Okay?
Yes,
Sorry.
Doc.
Yeah, sorry sa nangyari. It's not my fault. Okay? Maraming scammers and maraming bastos. Okay. Now, to share my
Okay, Doc.
PowerPoint again, okay, we have to understand free radicals and antioxidants. Yung edad na yan is an issue of mind over matter. If you don't mind, it doesn't matter. Kahit na anong edad ka, kahit na middle age ka na, 50, 40, sa 60, senior, 70, etc. It's, doesn't matter talaga eh. Ang importante, healthy ka. That's my point. Kasi marami dito, okay, 30, 40, hindi na healthy. Na heart attack na stroke pa. In the old days, yan ang sinasabi na ay kinamamatay doon ng tao noong unang panahon ay dahil matanda na. Pero ngayon, hindi. 30, 40, namamatay yan dahil diabetic, hypertensive, or may cancer. Ano ba talaga ang cause ng aging? Marami. 4 na factors yan. 4. Telomere shortening, chronological aging, oxidative stress, at glycation. I repeat, 4 yan. Pero ang pinaka-accepted na theory of aging ay the free radical theory of aging. So since 1956 pa po yun. Paano mangyayari yun? Saan galing ang free radicals? Galing yan sa mitochondria. Sila yung responsible for generating energy. Yan din ang nagpo-produce ng cell-damaging free radicals. Ayan po yung itsura ng mitochondria. Nasa loob pa ng cells natin yan. Remember, bawat cells natin may mga mitochondria. Hindi lamang isa, marami. Kung baga ang kotse ay tumatakbo dahil may baterya, ang katawan natin ay tatakbo kung may mitochondria. So nakita niyo parang pareho ang tunog, baterya, mitochondria. Tama? Ang kotse, pag yan ay palyado na, nagkakaroon din sila ng free radicals. Yung combustion, hindi na maganda. Maitim na yung usok. Tayo ganun din. Pag yung mitochondria ay pumapalya, dahil pasaway ka, mahilig ka sa maalat, sa matamis, sa mantika, mahilig ka kumain ng mga hotdog, mga bacon, unlimited rice at soft drinks. So, papalya ang mitochondria mo. Paano papalya, Tita Doc? So, magkakaroon ka ng sakit. Konting kilbot na lang, may sakit ka na. Meron lang umaching, nakuha mo na rin yung virus ng katabi mo, may umaching lang. Tama? Now. So, ano yung chemistry ng free radical generation? Homolytic cleavage, loss of a single electron, addition of an electron. In other words, yung cells natin, kung may free radicals, normal lang po yan. Normal na normal yan. Pag wala kang free radicals, hindi ka tao. Opo. Remember, you have free radicals from the time you were born. I repeat, may free radicals ka from the time you were born. Pero, pag umabot ka na sa edad ng mga early adolescent, yan, nag-aaral ka na, o late adolescent, or nagtatrabaho ka na, mas marami ka ng free radicals. Naintindihan? Okay. So, sa manggagaling yung free radicals ito, Doc? Manggagaling yan from the normal metabolic process ng cells mo. Normal metabolic process. Nangyayari po yan. Okay? So, normal po yan. So, ano ba yung mga free radicals? Mga 8 yan. Okay? These are what we call coming from the atom oxygen. Explain ko yan. Sandali lang. Sandali lang. Okay. Oo nga pala, Tita Doc. Ayan pala siya. Tama. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So merong 8 na free radicals sa katawan natin. Hindi naman po lahat yan masama. Kasi talagang nangyayari yan. Pag yung mitochondria mo nagpo-produce ng energy, nagpo-produce din yan ng free radicals. Naintindihan? So yung mitochondria produces energy, malas, nagpo-produce din yan ng free radicals. Anong pangalan, Tita Doc? Ito, basahin nyo. Superoxide radical, hydroxy radical, peroxide radical, etc., etc., etc. Screenshot mo yan. Dapat alam nyo yan kasi meron kayo niyan. Ha? Free radicals are also called reactive oxygen species or ROS. Okay? Free radicals are reactive oxygen species or ROS. Walo yan. Pag yan ay sumobra ng produksyon sa katawan mo at hindi yan neutralize ng antioxidant, magkakasakit ka. Promise ko yan sa'yo. Okay? Now, ano ginagawa ng free radicals? Ito, Doc, ba't nagkakasakit? Okay. So, ito yung free radicals na sa labas. Ito. Ano tong bilog na yan? That is one cell. Let's talk about just one cell. Ang cell natin, syempre, meron yan DNA na sa loob yan. Parang kotse yan, marami yan parts. Parang kotse yung cells, maraming parts. May baterya, may spark plug, ganon, para ka ding kotse. Pag marami kang free radical, sisirain niya mismo yung baterya, okay? Yung DNA mo, yung nucleus na sa loob ng cells mo, pati yung talukap ng cells mo, sisirain din niya. Kumbaga sa kotse, yung pintura, sira din. Naintindihan ba? Yun ang nagagawa ng free radicals. Alright? Mitochondrial damage, lipid peroxidation, DNA damage, at protein damage. Yan ang nagagawa sa cells. Kung pasaway ka, yan ang nagagawa ng free radicals. Ayan. So, ito yung mitochondria. The powerhouse of the cell. Kasi siya ang nagpuproduce ng energy. Malas ulit dahil nagpuproduce din siya ng free radicals. Okay? Nangyayari po yan pag nag-age na. Kaya habang tumatanda, alagaan po yung mitochondria natin, ha? Okay? Tita Doc, pag maraming free radicals, walang antioxidants, ano mangyayari? Magkakasakit. O sige, pili na kayo. Pili. Anong gusto mo? Si Jerome, pili ka ng sakit. Anong gusto mo? Misty, anong gusto mong sakit? Kung pasaway kayo. Colette, anong gusto mong sakit? Pili na. Gusto mo cataract? Gusto mo glaucoma? Gusto mo ng liver cirrhosis? Gusto mo ng kidney failure? O gusto mo ng multiple sclerosis? Hypertension, diabetes? Anong gusto niyong sakit? Lagnat-lagnat lang? Gusto mo COVID? Okay? Now, that's my point. Pag maraming free radicals at kulang ka ng antioxidants, 101% you will have chronic degenerative diseases. Ayan. Pili na. Wala kayong napili. So how antioxidants reduce the free radicals? Nagdo-donate po siya ng electron. Yun ang ginagawa ng antioxidants. Nagdo-donate ng electron sa free radicals. In other words, ang free radicals pala ay unpaired electrons. Free radicals are unpaired electrons. Example, oxygen. Ang oxygen ay may 8 electron. Pag nagagamit mo po yan, mababawasan po ng isa, 7 na. Pag 7 na lang ang electron ng oxygen, free radical na yan. Naintindihan mo yung sinabi ko? Free radicals are unpaired electrons. In example ko na yung oxygen. Remember, oxygen is your friend and your foe at the same time. Ang oxygen ay kaibigan mo yan at kaaway mo din. Kaaway mo yan kung yan ay nagkulang ng isang electron kasi free radical na siya. Remember what I'm trying to tell you kasi pwede nyo ikwento yan sa mga kaibigan nyo kung paano nagpuproduce ng free radical at kailangan ng antioxidant. Okay? Naintindihan? So, anong mode of action ng antioxidant? So, free radical scavenging, collagen binding, anti-inflammatory, antihistamine, inhibition of macular degeneration, and cataract formation. Screenshot lahat. Importante po lahat ng nile-lecture ni Tita Doc. Tita Doc, Ano ba yung mga antioxidant? Sabi mo, meron yung katawan natin. Meron. Okay? Number 1, superoxide dismutase, SOD. Number 2, catalase. Catalase. Number 3, glutathione peroxidase. Yan ang tinatawag na enzymes. They are antioxidants present in your body. Kaso, kulang. Ang dami mong free radicals. Kulang ka ng superoxide dismutase, kulang ka ng catalase, kulang ka ng glutathione peroxidase. Paano na, Tita Doc? Kaya nga, kasakit ka, I promise you. Tita Doc, gusto ko pa ng antioxidant. Sige, gusto mo pa. Kailangan mo ng kumain ng maraming prutas at gulay. Only healthy foods. Kailangan mo ng good carbohydrates, good fats. Kailangan mo ng amino acid. Kailangan mo ng vitamins, minerals, at water. You need all these nutrients. You don't need calories. I repeat, you do not need calories. Tita Doc, gutom man ako. Ay, di ba gutom ka kung ano-anong kinakain mo? Correct. Calories yon, kuya, ate, calories. Ha? You need nutrients. Nutrients. They will be your antioxidants panglaban sa free radicals. Example, Tita Doc, ng antioxidant. Example, alpha-tocopherol, beta-carotene, and ascorbic acid. Okay? So marami po mga kumpanya na gumagawa po ng iba't ibang klaseng food supplement. The reason why, kasi nga ang mga tao ay pasaway. Pasaway means, pag gutom ka, hala, kain, kain. Wala lang, kain, kain. Hanggang sa nagtaba-taba na. O, tignan niyo yung mga bilbil nyo ngayon. Kumusta ang bilbil? Kumusta ang waistline? Naintindihan. Ano daw ang sources of antioxidants? Ay kumain ka nga ng well-balanced food diet each day with lots of fresh vegetables and prutas. At uminom ng mga food supplement. Si Colette will explain that. Kasi may company po na Health and Beauty Republic. Magaganda po yung food supplements nila. Okay? At meron din fulvic minerals. Ito po yung black water. Very rich in antioxidants. Okay? So ulit, free radicals and antioxidants. Ulitin ko ulit ha, para hindi nyo makalimutan. Ano ba yung free radicals, ito, Doc? Free radicals are ionized particles in the human body. So it exists in your body. Ha? Huwag kang mayabang dyan. Wala ako niyan, Tita Doc. Talaga, tao ka? Hindi ka tao, baka alien ka. Di ba, Jerome? Okay? Alright. So free radicals are normally naturally produced by your body, and free radicals can be caused by environmental toxins, stress, food additives, and cooking, among others. Free radicals are also formed when oxygen is used by the body during normal metabolism. Kaya nga sinasabi ko sa inyo, then oxygen na yan is your friend and your foe at the same time. Friend mo yan kasi kung walang oxygen, hihinga ka, kailangan mo siya, di ba? Pag walang oxygen, edi patay ka. Kaya lang, pag ginagamit mo yan, nagiging free radical yung oxygen. Okay? So, free radicals are not all bad. They're not all bad. Okay? Ang iba doon ay ginagamit po yun. Wag lang sobra. So free radicals actually help the body to fight viruses, bacteria, waste, and toxins. Basta ma-neutralize mo lang. Importante may homeostasis, mayroon balance. Okay? So how do free radicals act? The human body is composed of many different types of cells. Siyempre, we are made up of cells. Ano ka ba? Made up of ano ka ba? Okay? So we are made up of trillions and trillions of cells. Cells are composed of many different types of molecules and atoms consisting of protons, neutrons, and electrons. Chemistry si Tita Doc, ha? Yan yung katawan natin. So yan, electrons na yan, they are the one involved in chemical reaction and are the substance that bonds atom together to form molecules. Okay? Importante po kasi, pinag-uusapan yung chemistry. Ha? Okay? So, alam nyo na yan. Antioxidant, they donate electrons sa free radicals. They can give a free, okay? Antioxidants can give a free radical one of its own electrons without the risk of becoming a free radical themselves. This puts a stop to the whole electron stealing chain reaction. So chain reaction po yung tinatawag na free radical formation. Nagnanakawan sila ng electrons. Nakawin ko nga to para maging stable ako. Yung ninakawan niya, naging free radical. So yung free radical, magnanakaw na naman sa isang stable electron. So, chain reaction po yun. Okay? So, ito yung healthy stable molecule. Ito yung unpaired unstable molecule. Ayan. Chain reaction po yan. So, importante, marami tayong antioxidant. Maraming magdodonate ng electrons. Antioxidant po yun. Saan galing, Tita Doc, yung free radicals? Hindi mo na naman alam, okay? These are normally produced by your body. These are, well, can come from you smoking, from ionizing radiation, from air pollution, from inflammation, from UV light, etc., etc., etc. Okay? Now, so, antioxidants, pwede sa pagkain, prutas at gulay. Food supplement, pwede? Yes, pwede. Panlaban yan sa free radicals. Okay? Example po ng prutas o yung berries. May anthocyanins po yan. Yung broccoli, vitamin C, may calcium pa. Ay, yung garlic, Tita Doc, nakakatulong pa. Opo. It can remove heavy metals. Nagkikilate po. Yan, yung garlic. Okay? Yung green tea, of course, may catechin po yan, may polyphenols. Yung tomatoes, of course, meron yan, lycopene. Di ba? Antioxidant din yun. Yung pong mais, of course, may zeaxanthin yan. Yung pong mga bell pepper, rich in vitamin C. Spinach, Tita Doc, okay ba yan? Of course, meron yan lutein. Yung cherries, para din, berry din yan di ba? Anthocyanin and quercetin. Yung pong pinya, rich in quercetin, anti-inflammatory po yun. Yung pong peaches po, syempre, meron siyang lutein. Okay? Okay? Yung pong minerals, importante po ba yun? Importante po yan. Si Dr. Linus Pauling, inaral po niya na yun daw, sakit, okay, ay dahil daw kulang ka ng minerals. You can trace every sickness, every disease, and every ailment to a mineral deficiency. By Dr. Linus Pauling. Yung fulvic minerals ba? Okay po ba yan? Antioxidant? Of course, it is. So, usapan natin yung tubig. May isang tubig po, kulay itim. Bakit siya itim? Dahil sa fulvic acid. Okay, yan po ang kanyang structural formula. Meron siyang carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. Yung pong carbon content, yun po ang nagpapaitim doon sa water. So wag po kayong matakot kasi itim, hindi po iitim ang wiwi or pupu or ngipin, hindi po. Okay? So, maraming electrolytes yan, marami siyang tinatawag na trace minerals, more than 70 plus, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and so on and so forth. Screenshot nyo na lang yan. Aralin nyo po yan, ha? Okay? Pampabata po ba yan? Pwede. Okay? Etong meron yun, fulvic minerals, may fulvic humic acid, 70 plus trace minerals, may electrolytes. Since may electrolytes yan, energy drink yan. Alkaline na po yan. May pH of 10 and may probiotics. This is the missing link to optimal and nutritional health. You drink about 1.5 to 2 liters a day. And my partner, Dr. Ray Chavez, ang good news niya, Ang sabi niya, yung fulvic minerals daw, yung black water daw ay food-based mineral bomb. Kasi daw marami daw po itong minerals and nutrients. Ang tawag niya doon ay functional drink. You will meet Dr. Ray in a while. And what does it do? It can detox your body. It can repair your body. It can support your body. What about the food supplement, Tita Doc? Oo naman. Ha? Pinabanggit ko lang yung tubig. Pag may food supplement ka, dapat meron kang tubig. Hello? Paano mo iniinom yung food supplement mo? Paano mo iniinom yung vitamin C mo, ate? Ha? Ginangata-ngata mo lang. Hindi, kailangan mo ng black water. Okay? It will help be absorbed inside your cells. Yun ang nagagawa ng Fulvic. Pinapalambot niya yung cellular membrane. Permeability ng cell membrane. Kaya mas madali pong pumasok yung vitamin C or whatever, yung glutathione, food supplement, etc., etc. Eh, yung bang Fulvic water, Tita Doc, may lasa? Wala. May artificial color? Wala. May sweetener? Wala rin. Wala nga lasa eh. Preservative? Walang preservative. May artificial electrolyte? Wala nga. Artificial pH level? Wala nga. Ang kulit eh. Okay? May artificial chemicals? Wala. Naring. Okay? Pero it's the best, the optimal nutritional drink ever. May FDA ba yan? FDA GRAS po ang black water. Generally regarded as safe. No, ito inuulit ko. Pag gutom ka, hindi calories ang kailangan, nutrients. Ha? Eh, karamihan sa mga Pilipino, pag gutom, wala, kakain lang, wala na. Gutom lang, ganyan. Gapak, ganyan. Unlimited rice, kain ng adobo, kain ng, ano ba to? Kare-kare, dapat marami daw kanin. Hindi, ako kumakain ako ng kare-kare, pero konti lang yung kanin ko. It's all in the mind. Don't be the victim of your tongue. Okay? Sabi nila, pag kumakain daw, ay, kulang ng patis, ay, kulang ng toyo, ay, kulang ng ng mga betchin-betchin. You are the victim of your tongue. Did you know that you can eat kahit na walang lasa? Huwag kayong inarte. Kasi pag may kayo sa maalat, matatamis, you are the victim of your tongue. Ano ba yung nutrients of the body? Okay. Importante, since you are made up of trillions of cells, you are also made up of water. Correct? Trillions of cells and water. Remember, bawat cell mo, dapat may tubig dun sa loob. Hello? Okay? Okay. So, ang nutrients sa katawan natin, 61% dapat. Yung pong fats, good fats, 14%. Yung pong protein, yan po yung amino acid, 17%. Yung pong carbohydrate, 1.5% lang po ang kailangan ng katawan mo, ate, kuya, 1.5%. Kaso itong mga Pilipino, yan yung number 1, punong-puno yung plato ng carbohydrate. Punong-puno ng mga anong-anong tinapay. Tama? Guilty? Guilty? What about vitamins and minerals, Tita Doc? Vitamins, you only need about less than 1% of the vitamin. But you need 6% of the minerals. Karamihan ng mga Pilipino, vitamin C lang ako, Tita Doc, yun lang. Tapos wala na, Tita Doc. Di magkakasakit ka. Vitamin C lang. Dagdagan mo, ate. Yung HBR, this company na i-introduce ni Colette, vitamin C, yeah. I remember yung kalidad ng vitamin C, importante yan. Hindi lang basta mura o mahal, yung quality. Yung quality. Okay? So ito po yun, Health Beauty Republic. So meron vitamin C, may glutathione na food supplement, at merong Rescue 5. Pinagsama-sama na po yung vitamin C, D, zinc, iron, and magnesium. So pinagsama yung vitamins and minerals. Meron din tinatawag na mangustin. So I believe in herbs. Of course, may mga aral po yan. Yung moringa, tama. And yung green tea, yung carnitine, bitter melon, blah, blah, of course. Inaaral naman po lahat yan. Okay? So just to give you a brief summary, mabilis lang tayo. Yung pong vitamin C, sodium ascorbate po yan ng 650 milligrams, and it can do a lot sa katawan natin. Briefly, it is an antioxidant, anti-inflammatory. Okay? Pag sinabi kong antioxidant, it will take care of the free radicals. Naintindihan? Hmm. Pati ba, Tita Doc, yung mga buto, mga joints, mga ganyan, ipin, kuko, ganyan, nakakatulong ba yung vitamin C? Naman. Ah, okay? O yung glutathione, Tita Doc. Sabi mo, Tita Doc, may glutathione peroxidase yung katawan natin. Meron. Kaya lang, kulang, kulang, kulang. Okay? So, pwede ba mag-food supplement ng glutathione? Naman. Pwede naman. Okay? Sa antioxidant din yan. Nakalagay dito, reduces oxidative stress. In other words, antioxidant? Correct. Helps our DNA inside your cells? Tama. Nakakabata? Correct. So, wag kayong masyadong magbenta ng glutathione. Nakakaputi. Stop it. Okay? Gusto ko, Tita Doc, yung side effect ng glutathione, nakakaputi. Ganyan kayo magbenta? Mali po yun. Yung mga ganyan nagbebenta, wala lang magawa. Puchi-puchi po yun. Huwag kayong ganyan. Eh, Tita Doc, side effect daw yun eh. Whatever. But you don't sell the glutathione like that. Narinig ba, niyo ba kami ni Dr. Ray Chavez na magbenta na glutathione, ipuputi ka? Of course not. Okay? Naiintindihan. Eh, yung Rescue 5, oh, it's a combination of vitamins and minerals. Okay, just drink it once a day. Okay po yan. Eh, Tita Doc, yung may mangustin. Okay. So, yung mangustin, na aral po yan. Okay. So, very good antioxidant. Opo, anti-inflammatory. Correct. Okay, because of the bioflavonoids and the polyphenols, etc. Okay? Very important po na respetuhin po natin yung inaral ng mga researchers and scientists. Okay? Is it good for overall health? Yes. Santo. Garcinia mangustana, 500 milligrams, take 1 capsule every day. Eh, Tita Doc, yung ano, Tita Doc, yung green light. Well, combination lang naman yan ng green tea, herbalet, ng L-carnitine, amino acid, and of course, bitter melon extract. Okay? Antioxidant, anti-inflammatory. Drink it once a day. So, for now, explain ni Colette na meron pong 6 na food supplement ang Health and Beauty Republic. Okay? All right. So, thank you so much.
Okay, thank you very much, Doktora. Ayan, okay. So, sige, maybe let's give them, let's ask 1 or 2 questions before we proceed to the next topic. And so, Misty, baka meron kang gustong itanong regarding sa topic ni Doktora tonight?
So far, ma'am, okay naman po. Naintindihan ko naman po. Review ko na rin po later. As I
Oh,
review na-record ko po siya.
oh, wow.
At
Okay.
saka clear po yung pagkakaano ni Doc. Kaya it's good.
Yes, oo. Sana nga marami-rami
Yes po.
tayo no? Para
Yes
maraming
po,
oo.
mag-invite tayo.
Oo. Di ba, sa next session natin, invite pa tayo sa
Yes
more.
po.